Okay, so you never know. This might be worth $5 to the right person. Let me see if I can turn this. What do I do with mine? Should have had snips in here somewhere. Okay, so what's this? Alright, this don't work. It's on high. We're not even getting a light, guys. Most likely the fuse is blown inside of here for some reason. So we'll unplug that, take it apart. Like those red sneakers I found, guys. I left them up at a mailbox area. The next day I looked, they were gone. Somebody's using them. Somebody's getting a second chance with those. And that's really cool, you know. So somebody's wearing those. And the same thing with the purse. I'm going to leave a purse up there that I found as well. And that's going up there. Yeah, this is disconnected. Always make sure stuff is disconnected. Sounds like my drill is dying out here. So what I found, I'm going to look for a charger. I took one of these apart before, so I'll look for a charger on here, eBay or somewhere, for this drill. You know, hopefully somebody's selling one for a couple bucks, you know, I mean, a couple dollars or a handful of change. Yep, it's going, guys. Gotta use mine, huh? Yay, we got the bottom. We're gonna get this is just gonna be like a live video, guys. We're gonna tear this up. Yeah, I picked it up. It's a nice little handle for something, project, you know. It's rusty. Live video, guys, alright? Oh, how did I get turned like that? It's crazy. I didn't reverse my drill. It's a nice fan in here. So it's going to be a fan motor. There should be a transformer in here. These are very light, actually. Yeah, no transformers. These things are very light, guys. Garbage, you know. So let's clip the cord. That's why I knew this would be really quick. It's good scrap, though. Good cordage. There's another cord, guys. Sometimes you could just pull these right through the other side of it. And sometimes you can't. Then you just cut it, you know. These cut here, here. Okay. That goes to shred, that goes to shred, that goes to shred. Okay. We'll go ahead and get all these cut off of here. There's some ties on here. I'm going to cut those. We'll be right back. This actually has something on the side. I got to get a wrench on there, so it's going to be a little while. Another cord, guys. Okay, guys, this is all going in the scrap pile. I got this, the blade that went inside here that spun. It's aluminum. I got to get that rubber piece out the side there. Got the motor here. And it's being very difficult. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to cut the I'll just cut right here, peel the copper out, and be done. That'll go in the shred once the copper is removed. Okay. Just getting everything picked up. I'm going to get everything cleaned up. It's just so cold, you know, it's so freezing. It's just freezing out here. Need another place for cans. Wow. Okay, all this stuff here, guys. I gotta put it's all going to shred. Gotta take this one apart. Grab it and see if it sticks. Oh, it sticks. It's not aluminum. Oh well, sure feels like aluminum. This piece here, whatever that was, the spring right there, going in the scrap. Got this piece here, whatever that was, the spring right there, going in the scrap pile. So guys, over here I have get rid of these plastic things in here. Let's do them big trucks, oh, white red line, won't you steal away my mind? Well, Mexico ain't bad, look, big beer, they treat you fine. Well, Mexico ain't bad, look, big beer, they treat you fine. Yeah, 10. It'll be 10. So anyway, I gotta crush all these cans, guys. Oh, lamppost. It all fits in there like that.